A Fibonacci sequence is the integer sequence of 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. The first two terms are 0 and 1. All other terms are obtained by adding the preceding two terms. So, in this video we are going to discuss two methods to form a Fibonacci sequence using Python. So here we will first take input from the user and store how many values the user wants from the sequence. So now we will create variables. N1 for storing the first term, which is 0 in this sequence, and N2 for storing the second term, which is 1 in this sequence, and Fib for storing the sequence. So, now we will create a for loop to update the Fibonacci sequence. So, we will first convert the first term N1 to string and add it to the sequence storing variable Fib and then add space to provide gap between the two terms. Then we will create a variable N which stores the sum of N1 and N2. Then we will update the value of N1 and set it to N2. Also, we will update the value of N2 and set it to the sum of N1 and N2. N. So that the loop can continue and the sequence can form. And at last, we will present the sequence on the screen with print function and execute the program. We have to enter the number of terms we want, then it shows us the sequence accordingly. So here method 1 comes to an end. Now we will learn method 2, which is a much shorter way. First, we will take input from the user for the number of terms of sequence. Then we will create variables. F to store the terms in the list as separate elements. And F1 and F2, which has value equal to 0 in this case. Now we will create a for loop which starts from 0 and ends on the user-defined number n. Inside this loop we have to use if-else statement in which if the length of the array f is greater than or equal to 2, the program will update the value of f1 to the last second term of array f and update the value of f. Append the sum of f1 and f2 to array f. Else it will append the value of I to the array f. Now at last we will print the sequence and execute our program and test it. We have to enter a number and it will return the sequence up to the number of terms we have asked for. Also, we can reduce the length and size of code by the following method. So now we have discussed the two methods to create Fibonacci sequence. Hope you find the tutorial helpful. Do like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.